Hi, my name is Natalie Castillo, and the lesson plan I chose is What Goes Up Must Come Down. And it was made by Emily Morgan and Karen Ansberry. And it covers the concept of gravity. So, with this lesson plan, we would first engage the students, and they had the book Newton and Me. You could either read it to your students, or I provided a link on here. You click on the link and it takes you to a YouTube read aloud of the book. Next, we would explore the concept through an activity where the students build a ramp made out of blocks, and we take little Hot Wheels or toy cars and we put different weighted items on the Hot Wheels and predict which cars will go down the ramp faster. Next, I would explain to the students in more detail the concept of gravity, and to elaborate further, I included this YouTube video about gravity. And to evaluate, I would give the students a worksheet where they can predict which items would go down the ramp faster. The lesson plan that they made had many activities that would be perfect for a kindergarten classroom through second grade.